In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a recurring meeting with Google Meet. If you've ever needed to set up regular meetings with colleagues, friends, or family, and want everything to be seamless, then stick around. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to set up a recurring meeting quickly and efficiently using Google Tools. So let's get started. Firstly, you want to navigate to Google Meet's webpage. You can do this by simply opening your favorite web browser and typing in Google Meet. It's the central hub for your virtual meetings, and from here, you'll start the process of scheduling your recurring event. Now, once you're on the Google Meet page, look for and click on the New Meeting button. This option is a gateway to setting up your meeting event, and it should be visible right on the home page. After clicking New Meeting, you're going to see several options. Here, you want to select the option that says Schedule on Google Calendar. As soon as you click this, you'll automatically be redirected to Google Calendar. This is your main scheduling tool where you'll lay down all the details of your meeting. Once you are on Google Calendar, the first thing you'll need to do is type in the title of your meeting. Make sure it's descriptive enough so all your participants know what to expect. For instance, if it's a weekly team check-in, just go ahead and type that in. Then don't forget to fill in the important information like the date and time of your meeting. These details are crucial for not only your clarity, but ensuring that participants can add it to their calendars as well. Below the date and time section, you'll find a button that says Do Not Repeat. This is an important step if you want to create a recurring meeting link. Click on this button and you will see a menu that allows you to choose the frequency of your meeting. Whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or just every weekday, you can tailor this setting to fit your needs. Pick whatever option suits your schedule best. Once all these details are set, the next thing to do is simply hit the Save button. It's located usually at the top of the window, and clicking it will finalize all the data you have just entered and officially schedule your recurring meeting. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully set up a recurring Google Meet link. All your meeting participants will receive these details, and they'll know exactly when and how to join your meeting. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to review these steps if needed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.